All right, so you guys can see the price of this one is actually $24.99, and the floor price going right now is $189. $189 if I were to sell this right now. Wow. Dude, there's some money to be made in this, man. I need to invest more in the NFTs. Today, let's talk about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. And I know some people's gonna be like, they hate NFTs. You're paying so much money for a glorified JPEG. Yeah, I understand that. But I did recently buy some NFTs and I want to see how is it going, like just dabbling around. I've had friends who came up to me and be like, oh yeah, my son brought this NFT and he sold it for 3,000 bucks and he only bought it for 45 bucks using this app called Veve. And I was like, wow, is money being made like that? All right, hey, you know what? Let me dabble in it. So on today's video, I'm gonna be going over my mindset behind the reasoning of me buying NFTs, and I'm gonna be going over all the NFTs that I bought, and to be honest with you, I'm gonna be blind reacting to how much money I made or how much money have I lost on NFTs, because I haven't looked at it ever since I bought them. And we're starting now. If you guys love to talk about personal finance and mindset, you guys want to help support the Urban Lifestyle channel, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And at the same time, smash that thumbs up button. It's highly appreciated. And comment your thoughts down in the comments below. Do you own any NFTs? Comment down below. Let me know. Now, the whole reasoning, in a nutshell, the reason I'm buying NFTs is because I believe it's going to be big in the future. Now, hear me out here. If you're gonna say, hey, NFT is not gonna be nothing, NFT is not gonna be this or anything, nobody's gonna buy NFTs, then I'll beg to differ. Then why do we have Comic-Cons? Why do we have places where people dress up as characters and spend money to go to conventions? I used to work as an airport shuttle driver, and when the convention down here in Miami was open, I used to bring a lot of people to those conventions. I brought Spider-Man to the convention once. I brought X-Men to the convention once. I brought Goku from Dragon Ball Z to the convention centers. Tons of people love to buy comic books. Tons of people love to buy Pokemon cards. And they're spending millions of dollars to do so. And we have to ask ourselves, why is that? Because they love colorful things? Well, I beg to differ. I think it's more of a collectability thing. People love to collect, and sometimes those collections can be worth a lot of money. Now, I am using the app called Veve to buy all my NFTs, but specifically speaking, I'm more focused on one genre of NFTs, and that's the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And reason being, if we're looking at a financial standpoint, that's the most popular franchise in today's world, and it's less than 10 years old. So I'm taking a chance on thinking about how much more value the Marvel Cinematic Universe is going to be 30 to 50 years from now. So now let's open up the Veve app and see what NFTs I've been buying and how much money I made. And like I said, this is me. I haven't checked it before. I don't know if I lost money. I don't know if I made money. You guys are gonna see all the NFTs I own and how much that I made or lost, how much I bought it for, and will I sell? But before I get into that, I do want to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is very risky, so I don't want you guys to just go on the Veve app and start buying a whole bunch of stuff. Now, with that being said, let's take a look. All right, so we have the app open here. Let's see here. Let's go to my collection. So I like the way it shows you. It can show you all the stuff that I have. You guys can see I have a Mr. Fantastic right here from Fantastic Four. I have a Steve Rogers Captain America. I have Sprite from the new Eternal movies that came out. We have a Bucky's Barn dressed in Captain America. We have the John F. Walker from what you call it, the Falcon and the Winter Soldier series. We have Druig, which is another Eternals character. The movie just came out. You guys can watch that on Disney Plus, by the way. We have Makari, which is another character from not Disney Plus, Eternals. We have Sam, well, the Falcon or Captain America here. We have the Captain America zombies. We have another Eternals character. So that's pretty much all of it. You guys can see all my NFTs are within the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And I like the way that you can see it here too. We can go inside the room and actually take a look at it. It's loading. Still loading. Come on, Metaverse, we gotta be faster than that. All right, so we finally got in. So you guys can see here, we can move around into this like three-dimensional world here that I have. This is my safe, and these are all the characters that I have so far. All right, now I think I want to say everything cost me about 200 bucks. All right, so we're gonna calculate and see how much money I lost and how much money I gained. All right, so you can see it all here. This is so awesome. I can't wait till they put it on the Oculus, or like create an app on the Oculus so I can actually interact within the world itself. All right. So now we took a look at that. Let's see exactly how much each of them costs. All right, so let's go with the Mr. Fantastic first. All right, so we can see Mr. Fantastic right here. Whoa. So if you guys look right here, I actually paid about $18 for it, which is gems, but one gem is $1. I paid $18 for it, and you guys can see the floor price right now. The minimum that this is going for is 60 bucks. That's awesome. That's awesome. Let's see what else we got here. Let's go back to collectibles. Let's see Steve Rogers, Captain America's shield thingy thing. Let's open that one up. All right. All right. So we. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm blind reacting to this. So this is the first time I'm actually checking this. I bought it. I bought all these. Like it's been like 2 months now. So you guys can see the price of this one is actually $24.99. And the floor price going right now is $189. $189 if I were to sell this right now. $189. I love the 89, 1989. 89 is just my number for me. I mean, I don't know. I keep seeing it somewhere, or maybe because I'm focusing on that. But $189 for Mr. Captain America. All right, let's see what else we have here. Let's see for one of the Eternals. Let's check the prices on that. Wow. Dude, there's some money to be made in this, man. I need to invest more in the NFTs. Yeah. Because out of all my assets, and we all know the stock market is going down, crypto market is going down right now. And out of all my assets, this is outperforming everything. And I only put $200 in. And the three NFTs that I just recently showed practically made my money back, you know? All right, so you guys can see I actually paid $37.50 to buy this one, and right now the floor price is $108. All right, now I'm interested. Now I may start buying a whole bunch of more NFTs. All right, let's see Bucky Barnes. I don't think this one's going to be worth that much. Just Bucky Barnes. Nah, I stand corrected. I bought this one for about $50, and you guys can see it's $150. I 2 times, or is that 3? Yeah, 3 times, 3x my money on this one. $150 is the floor price on this one. Let's go ahead and see Agent America or whatever. What is it? Captain Agent? What is his name? U.S. Agent. There you go. U.S. Agent. He was on Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Let's see. Yeah, as expected, about 18 bucks. $68. Man, I haven't lost anything yet. $68 is the floor price for this one. Wow. All right, let's see another Eternals character. I don't think Eternals. Nah, I don't know. I can't even say anything because I'm always surprised now. So this one I paid 19 bucks, and right now floor price is about $55. Man, there's some money to be made in NFTs. Like, I'm sorry, this is my first time actually watching the price. I just bought them and I just turned off the app. And it was more like, oh yeah, man, I remember I bought some NFTs. Let me go check the app and see what it is. And I just decided to put the video up right now. And there you go. You get my first reaction as well. All right, so another Eternals character. Looks like the Eternals not doing good, but let's give it some time. So I bought this one for $15.50, and you guys can see the floor price right now is 60 bucks. Should I sell it? Should I sell them? What you guys think? Comment down below. Do you guys think I should sell my NFTs right now and just profit, or... Because it's only worth whatever somebody else is going to buy from, right? Is willing to pay for them. But let's go ahead and check some more. Let's see Sam or Falcon. Let's open that up. So I paid $14 for this one. And right now the floor price is $104 if I were to sell it. Not bad. I mean... not bad at all. Wow. Okay, that's some good stuff right there, right? Let's see here. All right, let's see the zombie Captain America. I bought this one for $20, and the floor price right now is $95. All right, let's see the last one, which is another Eternals character. I bought this one for $9, and right now currently it's worth $38.99. Now, to be honest, I was thinking about maybe I should sell them, but looking at this and I'm like, man, I'm doing so well, I might as well just hold them and go. And I put $200 and it was more of a, I don't know, it was more of a, okay, hey, I had $200, let me just go ahead and put it. But now looking at this, I may want to invest in them some more. But the whole thing is, there's more characters to buy, to be honest with you. There's tons of other characters to actually see. We have the DC universe, there's a whole bunch of NFTs. But the reason, like I said, I'm only mainly focusing on the Marvel Cinematic Universe is because that's one of the biggest franchises there are right now. And veve do have a license with Disney to actually create NFTs for them. And that's it. The only thing I can say, I mean, I'm not saying that it's the future, but to be honest with you, when you look at veve, when you look at NFTs in general, how much is it worth? How much? Yeah, it's a glorified JPEG, some people may say, but Apple itself, how much is that Apple bitten off Apple sign worth for the company, right? That's an image. Like, this phone could be made anywhere else, but what makes this phone so special is that image. When you buy a Nike shoe, how much is that swoosh worth, right? What if you were to say, hey, I want to own that swoosh or whatever it is? As you guys can see, there's so much Apple product. I have so many Apple products, especially like I'm looking at like 15 different Apple products. How much is those logo worth? Matter of fact, if you were to go on Twitter, how much is that blue check mark worth on Twitter? Like, how much people would be willing to buy that blue check mark? It's just a JPEG, but people would be willing to buy it just so they can show legitimacy on their Twitter account. And my thing is, I saw an edge. I mean, this may not be the right thing to say or the right example to give, but back then, let's say 10 years ago, all my friends, all my personal inner circle, they were potheads, they were smoking. I don't smoke, I didn't smoke, so I told myself, hey, you know what? This could probably be a great opportunity for me to make some money. How about if I buy the pharmaceutical products and then I sell it to my friends? I mean, they know me, we have that trust, and I'll just sell it to my friends, and there was a lot of money made on there. I mean, it's not something I'm proud to say, or it's not something I'm proud of, but it was a trend that I saw within my inner circle, and I decided to capitalize on it. So now, the trend I'm seeing here is, hey, Marvel is one of the biggest thing there is. I see the trend of people collecting Pokemon cards, and man, I don't even want to get started on Pokemon cards. I had all the first edition, every last card from the first edition, like from the first batch of Pokemon that first came out. I had every last card. I had all the holographic Charizards. I had maybe all the Mewtwo's. I had the Mews. I had all of them, and then I gave them away. That collection would be worth at least over $100,000 minimum. I'm actually saying, like, because I knew the cards I had, I actually believe it'll be worth millions of dollars. But anyways, I just want to capitalize on the trend. I see a trend here. It's more of the collectability. It's not about hey, I'm gonna make money from this, or how much money can I make from this. It's, hey, how much can these things be worth in the future? Because it's only up to what people are willing to buy for it, right? Or what people are willing to pay for it. And you may say, oh yeah, but people's not going to be focusing on that. Well, like I said, let's take it back to the Comic-Cons. Like, if you were to tell me, like, yeah, man, Spider-Man came out and there's going to be people around the world paying to go to conventions to actually dress like characters, I wouldn't believe it. But that's what's going on today. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys for this video. If you guys found value in this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. It's highly appreciated. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Comment your thoughts down below. Are you guys owning any NFTs? Comment down below. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day. Holy shit, I'm making that much money. Whoa. It should be illegal. I should sell everything right now. Making so much money on NFTs. And they said I was an idiot. Hey, listen to me. You're the idiot for not buying NFTs when I told you to start buying NFTs. You called me an idiot? No, you're the idiot, all right? I can't believe that I almost listened to you. You're such an idiot. All right, I'll see you later, Mom. I'm making money. I'm making money. I'm making money. I'm making money. Am I gonna be making money forever on these NFTs? No, it was just something that I said, hey, I had $200. It's not like I put $2 million or $2,000. I put a huge chunk of my money into it. Now that I'm thinking about it, if I did, I probably would have had a lot of money. Like, most of these stuff was like 10x. I mean, there's gonna be a boom phase and there's gonna be a downward phase. And I'm not saying all NFTs are gonna be particularly famous in the future, but I do believe that the technology It's something worth looking into.